Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will demonstrate you on how to go live on TikTok VC, and here is only verify eligibility. Ensure you are at least 16 years old and confirm you have a minimum of 1000 followers on TikTok. After then you can go live on TikTok without any hassle. You have to open the TikTok app on your website if you're using a PC, and make sure you have a webcam connected, and if you're not, then you have to connect through a mobile device. Then after logging into your mobile device, you will see a plus icon at the middle of like this. Here you can see this option, the plus icon. The same option will be on your phone at the middle of somewhere here. So you just have to tap onto this option, and then you have to go onto go live, like tap onto go live, and that's it. And if you want to go live on PC, you have to download OBS Studio or streaming OBS on your computer. You have to open the streaming software like this. Then you have to tap onto the start streaming option. Okay, you can see this option, start streaming. You have to tap onto this, and from there you have to tap onto window capture and choose TikTok. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.